Hello, everyone. My name is Lisa Hostetler Brown with LawyerLisa, and today I am wearing green because it's St. Patrick's Day, and here to tell you about some things you can do that you won't have to rely on luck to have a great result for yourself and your families. So I have had a few questions recently, and there's been a few bits of misinformation about them, about powers of attorney, guardianships, and conservatorships. So I just want to give you some information about how those work and tell you some of the things that you can do to make things easier for your family. So if you have a family member who is healthy enough, usually this means mentally, because physically is not a big deal. If they can't physically sign documents, you can make an X, but that they are healthy enough to mentally comprehend the documents and the nature of what they're signing, a family member can sign a power of attorney that allows their, whoever they choose to be their agent for finances. And then there's another document for healthcare decision making. And that can include things like where they're going to live, if they should live at home or at a facility, and then any sort of healthcare decision related to that. And it also includes end-of-life decisions. So if you have a family member that maybe is at first diagnosis or early on, maybe they just got a unfortunate diagnosis, maybe of cancer or early dementia or Alzheimer's, before they lose their cognitive abilities for whatever reason, and it can be due to the disability or it could just be because they become infirm, if they sign the documents that they need to give their agent powers over their finances and healthcare decision making, they can avoid the need for a guardianship or a conservatorship action through the probate court down the road. Now, let me give you an example of how this works. If mom is very sickly and she no longer understands what's going on or who people are or her situation, she's going to be too bad off to be able to sign her own power of attorney for finances and for health care. So in that case, her close family members or friends or whoever it may be, and usually it starts with family members, will have to apply to the probate court for a guardianship for healthcare decision-making authority and a conservatorship for financial decision abilities. The court process can take a while. Can be expensive. It sometimes involves 2 or 3 other attorneys. If she has some ability to express her wishes, 3 attorneys will have to be paid for. And it's not a quick process by any means. So if you have a family member that doesn't have their estate planning documents done, doesn't have a financial power of attorney or a healthcare power of attorney, then now is the time, before they get to the point where they don't understand the nature of what those documents mean and aren't able to choose agents to make those decisions on their behalf. Now's the time to get those documents done and prepared and signed and filed away safely, so that if there are any issues in the future, that as the family member who might be the one making these decisions, you've got everything you need to be able to help them manage their finances, make those healthcare decisions for them without the need for having to go through the court process. If you have any questions about this or you'd like to schedule a consultation with our office, we would love to talk with you about this. You can call us at 803-563-5163, or you can email us at info@lawyerlisa.com. And we would love to schedule a consultation to help you learn more about what we can do to make everything easy so you won't need luck to take care of your family members, and rest assured that everything is in order if and when something happens. Hope you all have a great day.